In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import .mbox files into Thunderbird. So here I have a fresh install of Thunderbird. I've just closed out this window and not entered in an account because you don't actually have to do that to import local files. To do that, you need to go to the three dots in the top right, then click Add Account, and then click on Feed. Once you've done that, you can give it a name. I'll just call this Gmail, and then we'll click Finish. Now you want to go to Account Settings in the top right hand corner. It's then going to ask you where your local directory is. You can go ahead and then click Browse, and then go and find your MBOX files. So mine are Google Takeout files, and they are in the Mail folder. We can then click Select Folder, and then Restart. That is then going to restart Thunderbird. We can skip this. Now we've got our local directory selected, we can go back to the mail icon. And here you can see under the Gmail feed that we created, we now have the MBOX file, which for me is just the starred.mbox file. As you can see right here, this is what we've got open in Thunderbird. So thank you for watching.